What's up guys, J. Monty Thomas. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Hey, on this channel I do unboxings, tech reviews, and I also share with you tips and strategies to help you improve your audio and your video. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also turn on that notification bell as well so you'll know when I drop a new video. Hey, in today's video, have you ever wondered how people got those cool overhead top-down shots when they're doing tutorials, or people who have food channels, they're preparing their meals or showing you how to cook a meal, and they're showing those top-down videos? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So when people are making those cool top-down overhead video shots, they're using what's called a boom arm or a camera rig to do it. And in this video, that's what I'm going to show you, is this cool rig that you can get. You probably can get it off of Amazon. They usually run 90 bucks, 100 bucks. You can get more expensive ones as well. But this particular one, it only cost me about 80 bucks. This is how they do it. They use a overhead boom arm or a camera rig. And it's really simple, really easy to use. You just connect your camera. It has a ball joint right here where you can adjust the camera. You just loosen it up and you can adjust it in several different ways. You can adjust it, you can adjust it, you can adjust it. You can adjust it in several different ways. So it's really cool. I like it. It really helps you with your tutorials and just showing people your products. And it's adjustable. You can adjust it. The arm comes out here. See, get it loosened up here. Might be as far as it goes, guys. But you can adjust it. It is adjustable. It was extended all the way out. So it is adjustable this way, and it also can be adjusted from the height as well. So you may not be able to see it here, but it does adjust. You can see here it adjusts up and it adjusts down. So it's a pretty cool rig. I use it for my videos. I use it when I'm doing tutorials, getting that cool overhead shot so you can see just exactly what I'm doing. So that's how people get those cool shots. If you have any questions, have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.